this is sideline trunk rotation with a towel roll. So I have a beach towel here. You do want to use a big towel for this, or you could also use a pillow. And what we're gonna do with the towel is we're gonna roll it up, and then we're gonna put it underneath our right side to start with. And we want it to be about even with our low back, so lower on the body. And you want a pillow to put underneath your head for good support of the spine. And then you want your hips to 90 degrees and your knees to about 90 degrees. So 90, 90. Now let's say you get into this position and your low back doesn't feel very good. Maybe your hips are a little uncomfortable. You can put an extra pillow between your knees and that'll help alleviate some of that discomfort. Okay, so we've got our arms out here in front of us. You're gonna take a big breath in, and when you breathe out, you're gonna lift that top arm up, follow your hand with your eyes, with your head and neck, everything's turning, and you're dropping this arm into a Y position. So not into a T, not straight level with your other arm. We want it up at about a 45-ish degree angle. And we're gonna drop it down as far as we can go, keeping our legs together, holding for 5 seconds, inhale and exhale. And that is your sideline trunk rotation with a towel roll exercise. When you do this, you know, when you're in your setup, I'll say this first, you want to be in a little bit of a side bending position, hence the towel roll or the pillow underneath you. And when you perform this, you want to feel a nice deep stretch at your low back with this underneath you. Now let's say you're performing this and you're like, oh, this is really stretching out my pecs, this is nice, but you don't feel much happening underneath your low back. I would encourage you to maybe double this up, so 2 towel rolls, or you can add an extra pillow if you're using a pillow, so 2 pillows instead. Because I do want you to feel a nice deep stretch underneath your low back when you do this exercise, okay? That is your sideline trunk rotation with a towel roll exercise. Give it a try.